Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you how to uninstall the malware removal program called SpyHunter5. Now SpyHunter5 is the one that I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall the normal one that does like malware cleanups, tune-ups and stuff like that. There is a little catch here out there that people get confused on. There was a time period that came out, I think in there like April in 2019, that a SpyHunter ransomware came out. And it's pretty much a very severe scale right there, and it pretty much encrypted your system. This is not the exact same SpyHunter5 exe that you're thinking of. It's a typo error, and it pretends like it is Enigma SpyHunter5 software, but it is not. This is actually the genuine. The one that I'm going to be showing is the genuine. The one that they're showing you that you possibly have that you're trying to uninstall is a scammed one that you're probably a victim from the ransomware from it. So it's not the same thing like SpyHunter, is just something similar like that someone created from it. But let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. So first you just go ahead and go to Start, and you'll go to Settings, and then you'll go to Apps. Let it continue loading, and we're going to scroll down until you see SpyHunter. There's SpyHunter5. You would click the file and press uninstall, and probably press uninstall again, and you'll probably be prompted. And it'll take us to this screen right here. Tells you if you really want to continue. I'm actually going to go ahead and would press yes. But in case you can't get to that location, it's somehow missing a second location, you can probably go to Control Panel, and you can go to Programs and Features, and then you'll look for the file called SpyHunter, and you'll press the uninstall. Press yes, and I'll take us to the same location like this. Another option is go to Start if you do see it, and if you see SpyHunter, where are we? We are looking for it. It's probably from the hidden program, so let's go to Enigma software. There it is, and you would right click on it, and it says uninstall, and I'll take us to that location too. But this is where we get to for the rest. We're gonna go ahead and press yes. It tells if you want to proceed with uninstall, or if you want to get an offer, they'll do a discount for you. That's actually a little trick if you want to purchase it and don't want to pay for it. If not, to just press proceed with uninstall and let the program uninstall your computer. And it tells you that reboot is required, so I'm going to go ahead and just exit out, and let's reboot this computer, and we'll make sure that this program is cleared. Alrighty guys, pretty much the computer's finishing up on loading up, and we're gonna go to Start and see if we have the program installed. I don't see the program list from Enigma on their list. Let's go ahead and go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. I do not see it right there, and we're gonna go ahead and just go to regular settings again and apps, and it does not show it in this list, so we are pretty much good from here. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button, but if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description, and for the rest, I will see you on the next video.